Welcome to San Luis, Colorado, the oldest town in the state. Check out this mural here. I was here about 25 years ago. It's nice to see that this mural is still here after all this time. It's quite the mural. I really like it. If you need the proof that it's the oldest town in Colorado, there it is. And this is looking north. We started the day at Abidu Reservoir in the northwest part of New Mexico, and we traveled north to Chama, New Mexico, which is the one of the endpoints of the Chama and Antonito Scenic Railroad. It's a narrow gauge railroad. It's one of the last steam railroads in America, and also one of the longest. It's like 50 miles long is the route. We also, the CDT, also known as the Continental Divide Trail, goes through here. And that runs from Mexico to Canada, and it's like 3,000 miles long. Even longer than the Appalachian Trail, which I did some years ago. Met a group of thru hikers. These are the people who hike a trail from end to end in one season, and they had a podcast, and I joined in on the podcast. That was kind of neat. And finally, well, we saw one of the thru hikers who needed a ride, so we gave him a ride for about 100 miles from Chama all the way up to Antonito, and then up to Alamosa. While we were there in Alamosa, we also checked out the other end of the scenic railroad. Oh, by the way, when we were in Chama, oh man, the railroad's not open yet, but they had a steam locomotive steamed up and ready to go, and we were able to photograph that. They gave us permission to walk around the yard and photograph the equipment. Now check out this old church. It's one of the oldest ones in Colorado. There's Evelyn hanging out, staying in the shade. And then we kind of circled down to here, and it's very late in the afternoon, and we're going to just kind of drive back to Alamosa after doing this little loop, and we're going to call it good. Check out the night video for details about the evening. Thanks for watching. This is Danusa. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.